Hello guys! For today's video, ayan, share ko sa inyo yung aming bagong biling phone. It's Xiaomi 14T Pro. So, kararating lang niya ngayon at let's do unboxing. Let's go! So we will be opening the box. So this is what we got inside. So we have here the Xiaomi 14 Pro. So this time, how much is this phone? So this is what inside. Of course, this one for pin. So we can open. And the cord. We have the casing. So it means it has a very big camera because of this opening here. So this is what we got. Xiaomi 14T Pro. Oh, so it's Leica. It's a nice phone. So, Xiaomi. So, this is what we got. Only the cord, there's no adapter.
No charger.
No charger, only cord. So,
No.
what's more inside?
No more
Only
charger,
this.
No more charger.
No more charger.
No more charger in EU.
So, it will be connected in where?
You need to buy or you need to use old one.
I see. So, Android. Powered by Android. So, this is the logo of Xiaomi MI. So, we're waiting. We will see the features. Xiaomi Hyper OS. I think we need to press this.
Yeah.
Because it's still not. Okay. So, we need to set up this. So, this is what we've got. Yeah. So, here in Europe, no more adapter.
Charger.
Yeah. Adapter for charging. Only the cord included in the box. So, we will update you guys how nice or what is our feedback of this new phone. So once we set up everything, so we will see what are the features inside so we can explore. So for now, we only have all this information, but you can see nothing more except this pin, this cord, this phone, but it's so nice. Look how big is the camera. So we will see. So that's all for today. In my next video, we will update you the features of this phone. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye!